Do you want your iMessage contacts to not know when you read their messages? I'll show you how to disable read receipts on your iPhone, both individually for each contact and for everyone, so that no one knows when you read their messages. Watch the video to the end and I'll share an additional tip. Firstly, I want to show you how to disable it for individual contacts. For that, go ahead and open your Messages app, select Contact, and click on its profile on the top. Now, if you take a close look, you should see this feature Send Read Receipts. If it's green, then it's active, so to turn that off, just toggle off the switch and tap Done. Now, to do the same for every contact in your contacts list, you need to tap on the Settings, then on Apps, and of course find the Messages app from the list. Now, I want you to start scrolling down till you can see this feature Send Read Receipts. And to turn that off, again toggle off the switch so it will become white. And now no one will know that you read their messages. And as a bonus, if you want some contacts to still know when you read their messages, you can leave this feature enabled in Settings and disable it only for certain contacts. And that's it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye!